heck are you doing?
My wood's still good. The easy way.
That wood should be dry now, though.
It is. It won't take long. It's just, yeah, I don't have it. Okay.
I need a bigger tripod. That's the thing?
That's the ski skins.
Where's this?
That's my reason.
You got one of these freaking these things too, eh?
Somebody put that at the oven.
This?
Yeah. No, that's my freaking oven stove.
Oh shit. That's pretty cool.
So I can cook freaking doing my barbecue. Works pretty good. It heats like 600 degrees in here if you want.
Did you use that before? It looks brand new.
Yeah. A couple weeks ago when your mom had the,
Where'd you buy it?
I got that at Home Hardware.
How much was that?
I don't know, about $250.
Huh, that's pretty cool. The jack's in my shed, I'll go get it. Look who's back! Back again! Oh. Yeah, anyways, Buddy got some ski skins for his snowmobile. So we're gonna do that. Is this freaking... Yeah. We're gonna put those on, and he has a chainsaw mount for some reason. Put this freaking thing there. Drag this thing through the dirt.
I just don't want it to latch, so nobody has to put their thumb on the... That's the second one. Okay, that's this. Get it. Okay.
And you just put that on your A-arm.
What's that?
Where do you put it? Push on the skid plate pretty hard. That should be good. Put those on there. Get a 2x4 or something, just to make it a little bit higher. You have a 2x4?
I just want them underneath there just in case.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, just leave this like this.
Yeah. Just like that.
Fucking thing. Yeah, if it's meant. Get rid of that freaking extension. Here, let me do it. Oh yeah.
Don't break it now.
How am I gonna break it? Oh, this may be 3/8.
What may be 3/8?
What the fuck?
Why do you have to?
I got it. Don't worry. I'm a pro. That's stupid. Push it more. Where's the freaking thing?
You know my thumb's on it. Just put the nut on. Okay.
Frig, that's small. That's gonna be smaller than 10.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get another nut and another thing and get the.
That's good. That one's still tight. Why is there grass on your skis?
Oh. You don't remember almost catching my camera on fire?
No.
Wow, these skis don't last long. I don't get it.
What do you mean?
The other one up?
Yeah. This shit's fucking toast, it like fits inside it. Yeah, you're gonna have to like. Well, this should be fine because it's sticking in. Yeah, it's about the same.
Yeah.
Back one's a little bit less, but.
Thank you.
And I already got this.
Tight?
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah. It takes 5 seconds. I would just leave it like that. It looks fine to me.
Yeah, but there's gonna be ice and snow that gets in there and friggin'.
Alright, so we had to drill 2 more holes because this thing don't line up. And he doesn't want snow in there. But other than that, it's pretty much done. We just gotta put the ski back on. I'm gonna help him do that. There we go. Freaking mint. Which way is the nut facing on that side?
The nut is out, which I find strange, but it's out.
Yeah, that's the way it was. That's the way I put mine too. But whatever. Just wait a sec.
Not even close to being on.
Yeah, I know.
Is the washer on there?
Yeah. Holy shit. Everybody. Okay, Milwaukee Ratchet.
Where is it?
I don't know. Find it. I don't know where for you it is. Go other way. Other way with it. And this one got the
socket?
got the socket there, la.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, thank y'all. Mercy there, mercy.
Don't scratch my snow machine now.
Okay,
Oh yeah, look at the skis now. Whoa, that's enough. Oh, no.
You don't want to go more?
No, go up and down with the ski. Let it ski go. Okay, that's good. That's it.
Boom.
There, no ski ski.
That was easy. Okay, so we got those installed. They're way wider now. I don't know why you wanted those, but whatever. Put them on. It actually looks kind of cool though. But yeah.
We'll see you this winter.
Yeah.
Why?
Now his track will just sink. He'll have to get a 20-inch wide track.
It is a 20-inch wide track.
Is it?
Yeah?
Oh, I thought you had an 18.
No.
He'll have to get a 24-inch wide track. Yeah, we'll see how this thing does in the snow now. Thanks for watching on how to install the ski skins on this freaking tank of a freaking snow machine there.
900 days turbo R.
And 900 days turbo R. Thanks for watching.